Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video number 49, we are going to learn how we can read CSV file, means comma separated file, in Rust programming language. So let's move to the project. This is the Rust program that I have used in last videos also. So in module folder, I am creating a new module that I called read csv.rs. So this module I will use to call in main file, and I need to mention this in my mode.rs file also. So I am giving here read csv. So this is my module that I want to read in main. So in main also I will use it. I say read csv and I will call the function inside this module. So I say read csv. And here also I'm going to create a method. I say read underscore csv. This function I'm going to create. So go to this file and here I say pub function and I say read csv. So this I want to create here, remember. So for this I need as a parameter file name. So I say file name of a string type that I'm going to pass here. This file name I need to pass from here. So I say the file name is that is already I have created data.csv. Remember that this is my comma separated file. So this file I am passing to this function. So I say under the src directory we have data.csv. This I want to pass and I want to convert into string. So this file name I am passing this to this function. Remember that. Now this file name I required. So but for reading a CSV file we required a separate library in Rust, and that library is called CSV. So we have to install. So we say cargo add CSV and it will add to my project. You can go to cargo.toml and you see this CSV module or library has been installed. So now I can use it. So I say first use CSV. I want to use it. Then with the help of this I want to receive the file. So I say let, I say read csv. That object I required should be mutable because we want to read file from this, and I say csv and here I say reader. Under this from underscore path, and here I need to pass the file name. File name I am passing with the help of path. So I say path new and here I pass the reference of file name that's we want to pass, and for that I want to use one more library. I say std path like this that we want to use. So remember that from this csv library we have a reader. Under this we have a from path and then I'm passing a file name here. This is the file name, that spelling mistake. So I say file name like this. Now I have to read the record from this file. For that I'm using for loop and I say result in, I say read csv dot record like this. These records we want to read, and I just display this. I say println and here I pass the result like this, all the record because it's come in string record. So I say, so first of all I convert this result into record. So I say let record equal to result, and like this we want to convert this record into string record, and then I display this record here. Remember that right now it is in a string record, and after that I need to call OK like this, and because this function have to return error or you can say OK information, so I need to pass this also in form of result. So like this, and here in form of error I need to pass csv error. So like this we have to return csv error and we have to return this also, and so we have csv reader from path. So generating a error here, and it require because maybe record not found, so we have to put here question mark, and this will be okay now because we have to pass here if record is not found, there is no record here, then it will generate error will go to csv file. So you see that. So we have created this. It's a simple one. Just use csv reader from path, pass a file path here, and one by one read a record, and this record convert into a string record. String record is display here. like this, and we can put semicolon also after this, and this one is done. Now we have to go to main and we have to call it. For calling this, I say if let, and we have a error here. If there is an error, then we need error also, and then after that I need this like this way. If block we have to use. Now I print println. This record we have to print, and here I need to print the error. So I say I want to print. So if error is there, then it will display error, otherwise it will read the file. So now we try to run it. So I say cargo run, and you will see that one by one, if everything is okay, you will see the record from this file. You see string record is display here like this. And if you want to you can say get individual record from this string record, means individual field you want to display, then you have to do like this. After that, because I am not displaying this, this is for displaying a string record, but individual field if you want to display, then you can use for again, and I say field in, and here I say record like this, and I run it again. I say println, and I will use print, not println, because line by line I will display this. And here I say individual record will display, and that would be I say field like this. And I want to make some space also. So one by one by comma separate I can do like this also. So we display all the field one by one from this string record, and this is one, and after this is filled. After printing one record, I need to use println also for giving the line break here. For this, I think it is done. Now try to execute once again. See the difference. You see individual record, last time we have under string record. This was the string record, but now individually by field name and age we are printing this information. I have put here comma, that's why comma is coming. Otherwise we may have a space also like this, and once again I try to execute it. You will see that space is there. You see one by one we have the information display like this. So once record is come, then record from this is in a string record format, then from that we got one string and we display as a field. So like that way you can read your CSV file in your application. It's a simple one. I try to explain in a very simple coding. If you understand, please help me to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.